Pamalakas.
Privileged enough to have the Rudolph blessing.
Anyo, I'm Rudo Augusto Michana. So for today's video, nandito tayo sa Makati. So yun, may shoot tayo ng commercial ulit. Ang commercial natin is Gcash. So yun, customer lang ako dito, order lang. Tapos ayun, bayad na tayo. So guys, today is our workshop. Let's go! Hindi ko siya makakasama sa work kaya.
Okay. And action! Congratulations! You're so action!
Uy, aabot mo sa ako.
Time check.
9:03 po.
12 o'clock. Yes.
Nasa YouTube guys. This is our brown out. Oops, sorry. Ate Janet. Pamalakasan. That's it. Dahil magkakasama na naman kami. So pinapanood nila yung unreleased vlog ko sa 7-Eleven. Guys, nandito si ano. Feeling ko broken siya. Broken ka ba?
Sumala na siya.
This is our lead for today. Yan, si Pao. Ano yan, director din siya. Mag-open siya ng shop mamaya dyan sa harapan. So, anong oras yung shop niya po?
7:30, can't wear yourself.
Mag-alas 10 na. So yun guys, this is our look for today. Yes. Very aesthetic. So, bibili tayo mamaya ng coffee, latte, macchiato, tapos croissant, tapos chocolate butter nacho.
Hello, I'm Natasha Ang. I walk the bench fashion week. I also walk for Bobby Santos. I just had a pen shop actually. Yeah. And my outfit is very
pen shop ang Natasha.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Sky. I'm a voice actor. You can find me on skyredvo.com. And yeah, I do modeling full time. And I really like doing TVC commercials because it's good money for a short time. And there's cool people like Rudolph.
Oh, thank you so much. Chick boy ng Makati.
Hey guys!
Paltok-paltok to, tapos may beer ball.
I-push nyo. Kung tingin nyo mahihain kayo, try nyo. Kasi hindi nyo alam baka ito yung magbigay ng opportunity sa inyo para maging artista. Malay mo.
So yun guys, mag-i-start na tayo.
Kaya na yan. Kaya na yan.
Sa akin.
Itong iPhone?
Ah.
Yaman mo kasi.
Ah. Guys, I'm done na sa aking first shoot. Abot-abot lang. QR. Kaya Video Toby. Long time no see po. Siya po yung nagpasahod sa akin sa gram. Kaya anong ma-advise mo sa mga gusto mong pumunta?
Sipagan nyo lang. Habang bata pa kayo, sipagan nyo lang. Patratin nyo lang. Quantity over quality.
Mas mahaba pa yung waiting time ko dito. Gusto ko yung napapagod ako. Sanay ako dyan sa, yung mamatay-matay ako sa show. So, yan guys. All talents na. All stars. Ayan, he woke up like this. Kakagising niya lang, guys. As in, kakagising niya lang. Sasalang na siya.
Mamulat ko lang.
We're done na.
Watermelon, pineapple.
I'm hungry.
Magka-12 na.
Watermelon.
Our look.
Watermelon.
I'm in gym.
So guys, so order na tayo. Saan ko pinagdaan? Alright.
3, 2, 1, and action!
Hi, pa-order nga po ng matcha latte. Tapos croissant. Opo. Tapos pabalot na lang din po ng isang coffee.
Sky, go for 2 bars.
Mga dalawa po. Tapos
Relax, Sky.
frap, tapos matcha latte. Pabalot na lang din po yung yung chocolate. Meron po ba? Sige, sige. Cappuccino, latte.
And cut!
Yes, thank you.
Mark! Hi, sir. We have 2 parties.
Pina. Tapos na tayo. So we're done. So yun guys, we're done na. Ayun, anong oras pa lang? Alas 2. So, ayun, waiting na kami kung marirelease na kami. Hanggang alas 10, mag-i-11 pa yung shoot. 11 pa tapos ng shoot, pero pa yung mga delay. Tapos, ayun, after naman. So, ayun. Bahit kaya. Ayun, umorder lang kami. Hindi ako sanay ng, mabilis ang ako matapos. Sanay ako yung pagod na pagod, yung gamit na gamit. Show your time. I'm gonna make this. The origami.
Paper crane.
Yeah.
Because I don't know how to make it.
Count me 1 to 50.
1, 2, 3,
I think 30.
5, 6, 21, 22, 23, 24, Persona, 25, 26, 27,
26, 7 and a half.
28, 29, 30! Wow, I'm the done. It's beautiful. They're kissing.
Yeah.
Stunning.
So I'm alive. In Squid Game. Bye. Sa montage na. Kasi may makaka-copyright tayo. Sir, baka pwede malimos ng coffee nyo. So, akala ko tapos na. Ganun tayo. Just like your ex. Never over. Umugot siya. Let's eat. Ano sinasabi mo?
I say you are such a blessing to whoever meets you. Whoever you get to meet in person. It's privileged enough to have the Rudolph blessing. And your data as well.
Ba't siya gano'n since dami? Bye! See you on the next my shoot.
Transition.
Ay, transition. Pinapakita mo.
Ayun,
Ganda naman yan.
Ito yung yung pail.
Ah. Beer. Panglahatan.
Yung paper sa Coco Market.
So yun po, payroll na po namin. Thank you so much po.
Igilin mo, igilin mo, igilin mo.
Go guys! Pulong, bilis, papaagaw ako.
Oh, bye!
So yun guys, we're done na. Ayun lang, that's all for this video. Bye!